Writing a single article, a video script, or a full week's worth of social media posts takes hours of manual work. To speed this up, people often type a simple one-sentence request into an AI tool, expecting a perfect finished product on the first try. To get usable results, you have to treat AI differently. It is a professional writing assistant, and it needs specific, structured directions to do its job well. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to take one simple topic, turn it into a 1,000-word article, a complete video script, and 5 distinct social media posts. Mastering this structured workflow allows you to bypass robotic, generic text and generate a complete, ready-to-publish content ecosystem. Step 1 happens before you even open an AI tool. We have to start by narrowing down our core idea. Let's use a broad topic like artificial intelligence for teachers. We need to refine that baseline. Instead of just targeting teachers generally, we focus on primary school educators and list specific use cases: lesson planning, generating worksheets, and designing assessment tools. The underlying rule for AI text generation is simple. Clearer, highly directional input directly correlates with a higher quality, actionable output. Skipping this initial refinement phase guarantees a generic, uninspired response from the AI. We build a professional prompt formula using 4 variables: role, length, language, and tone. First, we command it to act as an educational content writer. Then we set boundaries, instructing it to write exactly 1,000 words in conversational Pakistani Urdu. Deliberate prompt engineering takes an unpredictable AI model and locks it in as a highly controlled creative engine. Even with a strict prompt, you should never accept the first draft. An AI's default writing style leans toward heavy, formal, and robotic vocabulary. Issue a secondary prompt. Command the AI to rewrite the text using shorter, more natural sentences that feel conversational to read. To ground the abstract concepts, ask the AI to inject practical, real-life examples that a primary school teacher would actually experience in their daily routine. This secondary humanizing step strips away the artificial feel and ensures the final text actually resonates with human readers. Now that we have a polished written article, we can use it to build out other formats, starting with a 5-minute video script. Command the AI to convert the text into an audio-visual format. Tell it to open with a strong 10-second hook, outline a clear problem and solution structure, and end with a call to action. We apply this exact same workflow directly to a social media strategy. Instruct the AI to slice the main article into 5 distinct, unique posts, and ask it to optimize each one natively for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. One well-engineered piece of core content provides enough material for an entire week of cross-platform marketing. There is a crucial safety warning for this entire process. Because AI models generate text based on predictive patterns, they will confidently invent false information. You must manually verify specific data points. Names, dates, quotes, and statistics require human review outside of the AI system. AI is a highly capable assistant, but you remain the final authority and the liable publisher for everything you post. This is the complete professional writing workflow. We start with an idea, write a prompt, review the draft, improve and humanize the text, fact-check the data, and finally publish. By following these steps, we took a single thought and expanded it into a complete multi-channel content campaign. In our next episode, we will use this exact workflow to plan and map out an entire month social media content calendar. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to IKAI Academy, and drop a comment below saying, "I am learning AI writing." Artificial intelligence does not replace the human writer. It simply amplifies your capability to produce professional, highly scalable content at record speed.